Dr. Dan Fisher, founder of Ultradent Products, states, "Minimally invasive endodontics is paramount even for root canal instrumentation, as removing as little tooth structure as possible allows us to maintain as much tooth strength as possible." It is from this minimally invasive philosophy that Ultradent has developed a complete line of endodontic products as well as products to be used before and after endodontic therapy. These include everything from hemostatics and retraction cord for establishing isolation in preparation for the root canal treatment, to restorative materials used once the root canal treatment is completed. The Riitano Access Bur kit comes with a round burr and 4 unique high-speed access burrs, each designed to perform a specific role in safely creating pulp chamber access. Step 1 in the endodontic procedure is to gain access to the pulp chamber. The round carbide burr is used to quickly cut through the occlusal table of the tooth, exposing the pulp and pulp chamber. The remaining access burrs feature safe-ended tips to minimize the risk of pulpal floor canal perforation or other damage. The acorn burrs, available in 2 sizes, are designed to remove dentin and enamel on the upstroke. This makes de-roofing the pulp chamber and removing the pulp horns safe and easy. To identify difficult-to-find canal orifices, a quality caries indicator, such as sable-seek, can be beneficial. Sable-seek's bold green color stands in stark contrast to pulp tissues and readily identifies the location of the canal orifice. Once the canals have been identified, the remaining access burrs are used. Next, the button burr can be used to remove interferences, smooth out the access wall, and begin the straight line access preparation. Finally, the rectifier burr safely slides into the canal orifice to finish a clean, straight line access. Once the canals are accessed, it's time to begin instrumenting to remove all infected and necrotic tissue while properly preparing the canal for obturation. Ultradent's endodontic products solve everyday endodontic problems, giving you the ability to treat most endodontic cases with simplicity.